Hey guys, we got child abduction emergency.
Search Sovereign Health. This is the sound of a large Coke at McDonald's.
We got child abduction emergency.
5 pounds with black hair.
In that it went on the west, and it may not have been quite as destructive, but
At the request of the California Highway Patrol. Child abduction emergency for extreme southwestern California on September 10th, 2017 at 12:30 a.m. Lloyd, Wyatt, and Lexington were abducted from Albuquerque, New Mexico, and are believed to be in California.
Whoa.
Lloyd, Wyatt is
This is my first child abduction emergency on my weather radios. Let me go grab my WR 120. Well, I've confirmed that my advisory siren works.
tall, weighing 132 pounds, with brown hair.
It's on the EAS.
The suspect driving 2,000.
Whoa, first child abduction emergency.
Seen wearing gray.
I'm gonna catch it on the TV.
The third victim, Lexington.
Yeah, Hurricane Irma is impacting Florida.
3 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds, with black hair
Whoa,
and brown
I
eyes.
just caught this, and it went off on my phone as well.
The suspect, Larry Walker Anderson, is a 28-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 132 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving 2009 silver Kia Spectra with a New Mexico plate number 9.
Whoa,
You can call 92121.
I just caught this. Let's catch it on TV.
Throughout the night here on what he has called a monster storm.
Let's get it on the TV now.
Kristen Welker, thank you for that from the White House. The president weighing in and upbeat about the coordination for this recovery. But
Is it gonna come on? Oh, oh my God.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol. Child abduction emergency for extreme southwestern California on September 10th, 2017.
Is it on this one? No? Tell me if the EAS was off on that TV.
The second victim, Lakai Wyatt, is an 8-year-old black male, 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 65 pounds, clear hair and
Whoa, first child abduction emergency on weather radio, broadcast and TV. My first triple EAS on child.
Anderson is a 28-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 132 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2000.
Cool, ABC EAS.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol. Child abduction emergency for extreme southwestern California on September 10th, 2017.
Cool.
At 12:30 a.m., Lloyd Wyatt and his 2 siblings were abducted from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Wow, 3
and are
children?
believed to be in California. Lloyd Wyatt is a 9-year-old
Gulf,
black
California. Make that quadruple EAS.
black hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing despicable green pajama pants. The second victim, Lakai Wyatt, is an 8-year-old black male, 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 65 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing gray pajama pants. The third victim, Lexington Wyatt, is a 6-year-old black male, 3 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing yellow and white shorts. The suspect, Larry Walker Anderson, is a 28-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 132 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving 2009 silver Kia Spectra with a New Mexico plate number R80. He is seen call 92121.
Naples, but we're starting to see.
Alright guys, that was a child abduction emergency caught on no weather radio, broadcast radio, and TV. Make that quadruple because, look, my weather radio's got it and my advisory siren works. So yeah, I'm gonna go on weather.gov, see if it's on there. Let's head there. It's in my room. It's in my room. So yeah, now we're under a child abduction emergency. Let's go there. Load up, computer. Alright, anyways guys, there's a child abduction emergency issued. Let's go to weather.gov. Find the text product. Let's see. Is it there? Huh. Reload? Huh. I don't see it. You know what? I'm just going to turn that off because so I don't get a copyright or anything. Like you can see all there. Hurricane Irma is impacting that area. Hurry up and reload. I want to see if I want to see the text product. So, I don't think I'll be able to show you guys the text product. So yeah, I got a child abduction emergency on my weather radios. First one ever. So yeah, it was issued for my county. The abduction occurred in New Mexico. So, three children were abducted. So wow.
And are believed to be in California. Lloyd Wyatt is a 9-year-old black male.
And they all have the last name of Wyatt.
Weighing 65 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing this.
Well, I better stay tuned.
Lakai Wyatt is an 8-year-old black male.
Well, I know
5 inches tall, weighing 65 pounds.
as you can see, my new antenna works perfectly. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'll see if I can catch the cancellation message if it comes on. So see ya.